Captivating mountain exteriors, minimalist architecture that blends with nature. Introduction: the fusion of nature and minimalism. Welcome to the Nookup YouTube channel. In mountain homes offer more than just breathtaking views, they embody the harmony between modern architecture and nature. Minimalist architecture takes this to the next level, blending clean lines, functional design, and natural materials to create homes that feel like an extension of the surrounding environment. In this video, we explore stunning mountain exteriors where minimalist principles merge seamlessly with the landscape. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below as we journey through these beautiful spaces. Minimalist architecture, a perfect fit for mountain settings. Minimalism is all about simplicity and functionality, and when applied to mountain homes, it creates an architecture that complements, rather than competes with, nature. In mountain settings, where the landscape is often rugged and untamed, minimalist design provides a soothing contrast with its clean lines and uncluttered spaces. The sleek, unobtrusive forms of these homes allow the natural beauty of the mountains to take center stage, ensuring that the home is both modern and harmonious with its environment. Embracing natural materials in mountain architecture. Incorporating natural materials is a hallmark of minimalist mountain architecture. Wood, stone, and glass dominate the exteriors, each material chosen for its ability to blend into the surrounding landscape. Wood often remains untreated to weather naturally, allowing it to evolve with the environment. Stone, sourced locally, mimics the rocky terrain, while expansive glass windows offer uninterrupted views of the mountains. These materials not only reflect the natural environment but also provide a durable and sustainable seamless indoor-outdoor living, blurring the boundaries. One of the most striking features of minimalist mountain homes is the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and open patios create a sense of unity with the landscape, allowing homeowners to enjoy the beauty of nature from the comfort of their living rooms. This blurring of boundaries brings the outdoors inside, enhancing the feeling of space and tranquility while maximizing natural light and ventilation. Sustainable design, a key element in mountain homes. Sustainability is at the forefront of minimalist mountain architecture. These homes are designed to reduce their environmental impact through the use of renewable materials, energy-efficient systems, and passive design principles. Solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient insulation are commonly integrated to create homes that are as environmentally friendly as they are aesthetically pleasing. This focus on sustainability ensures that these homes not only blend with nature but also protect it for future generations. Maximizing space, functionality in minimalist design. Minimalist architecture excels at making the most of available space, especially in mountain homes. Open floor plans are a staple of this design style, allowing for flexible, multifunctional spaces that feel larger than they are. Storage is cleverly integrated into walls and furniture, keeping the aesthetic clean and uncluttered. This functional approach not only enhances the beauty of the home but also ensures that every inch of space is used efficiently, making it ideal for both small and large homes. The power of open spaces and panoramic views. In mountain homes, the surrounding views are as much a part of the design as the architecture itself. Minimalist exteriors often feature expansive windows that frame stunning vistas of mountains, forests, and valleys. These open spaces create a feeling of grandeur, bringing the vastness of the outdoors inside. By minimizing barriers like walls and doors, these homes offer uninterrupted sightlines, making the interior feel connected to the natural surroundings in every direction. Blending with nature, color and texture in minimalist design. Minimalist mountain homes often use a neutral color palette that reflects the natural hues of the landscape, earthy browns, soft grays, and deep greens. This subtle use of color ensures that the home blends seamlessly into its environment, making it almost invisible from afar. Textures such as rough stone, smooth glass, and weathered wood add depth and character to the home's exterior, creating a design that feels organic and grounded in the natural world. Technology meets minimalism, smart solutions in mountain homes. Modern mountain homes are equipped with the latest technology to enhance the minimalist lifestyle. Hidden smart home systems control everything from lighting and climate to security, all while maintaining the clean, uncluttered aesthetic. These systems are designed to be intuitive and efficient, reducing energy consumption and enhancing comfort without intruding on the overall design. This integration of technology ensures that minimalist mountain homes are not only beautiful but also highly functional. Conclusion: the timeless appeal of minimalist mountain exteriors. Minimalist mountain architecture is more than just a design trend, it is a celebration of simplicity, sustainability, and harmony with nature. These homes are designed to blend with their environment, using natural materials, open spaces, and cutting-edge technology to create spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. As you admire these captivating exteriors, consider how minimalist design can bring peace, tranquility, and beauty into your own life. Don't forget to like,